Tired of the rush? Discover slow living. Tired of feeling exhausted, stuck in a frenetic routine? Want more time for the things that really matter? If so, slow living could be the answer for you. What is slow living? Slow living is a lifestyle that proposes slowing down and living with more awareness and purpose. It is a philosophy that values the present time, authentic experiences, and interpersonal relationships. Benefits of slow living: reduced stress and anxiety. By slowing down, you will have more time to relax and take care of yourself. Increased productivity and creativity. With less stress, you will have more energy and focus to carry out your tasks. Improved physical and mental health. A less hurried life contributes to a better quality of life. Deeper relationships. Slow living encourages genuine connection with those around you. Greater environmental awareness. By consuming less and more consciously, you contribute to preserving the environment. How to practice slow living. Say no to multitasking. Focus on a single task at a time and do it mindfully. Take time to relax. Include moments of rest and leisure in your routine. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, walk, do physical activities. Cultivate hobbies and activities that bring you pleasure. Dedicate yourself to activities that make you happy. Consume consciously. Prioritize local, artisanal and sustainable products. Strengthen your relationships. Dedicate quality time to the people you love. Slow living is not a magic solution, but rather an invitation to a more authentic and meaningful life. If you want to find more balance and happiness in life, try slowing down and embracing the slow living philosophy. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comment below and tell us how you practice slow living in your life.